My name is Gloria, and today I am going to show you how to make a peach cobbler, one of the best things known to man. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to butter a 2-quart pan. I'm pretty sure it's 2 quart. Yeah, a 2-quart baking pan. I just have a tablespoon of butter in here and a napkin, and you just want to spread that all around. You could also use cooking spray or oil, just whatever you need, so your cobbler doesn't stick to your pan. Next thing you want to do is you want to take your well-buttered pan and you want to add to that 3 to 4 cups of peaches. It says in the recipe to use fresh peaches, but we don't have any in our area right now, so I just use canned peaches, and I washed them off because they were covered in a syrup, and I didn't want all of that syrup to make our cobbler soggy. So if you don't have any, get canned peaches and just rinse them off. And I just spread that evenly. Cool. So now that we have peaches all over, we are going to combine 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, our egg. You just have 1 egg here. And then just take it out, and you have to mix the yolk and the white together as if you were making scrambled eggs. And you don't have to mix it a lot, you just have to make sure the yolk is broken, basically. I'm gonna add that in. There we go. And a couple pinches of salt. I'm gonna use about 3 pinches. 1, 2, 3. And you wanna mix this up. So now you wanna mix these ingredients until it's really, really crumbly and well combined. Okay, so this is what our mixture looks like right now. Very crumbly and dry. I'm pretty sure if you wanted to, you could form it. Yeah, you could, but it's really, really crumbly, and that's what you want. Cool. I'm gonna turn this off because my phone's dying. That's not good. Now, we're gonna put this aside for just a little bit, and you're gonna take a tablespoon of lemon juice or lime juice. I have lime juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, and you just want to drizzle that over your peaches. There we go. And you want to take, I think this was, how many tablespoons was this? This was 6. You want to take 6 tablespoons of butter and melt this. So I'm going to toss this in the microwave for 15 seconds. If your butter is directly out of the fridge, put it in for 30 seconds. Butter is melted. I'm just gonna mix it a little bit. Do I have a spoon? I do. Cool. All right, second to last thing that you wanna do is you want to spread. Okay. All right, the second to last thing you need to do for this to be ready to put in the oven is you need to spread your flour, your crumbly mixture all over the top. Is that proper? You just want to put it on top of your peaches. And then you want to spread it evenly. Cool. I'm just going to place this over here. Move this over here. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's really, oh shoot, I just hit emergency. No, I'm sorry, okay, bye. This is what it should look like. Evenly distributed and spread all over the peaches. Cool. Last thing you need to do before you place this in the oven, the last thing you need to do before you put this in the oven is you want to drizzle your 6 tablespoons of butter all over this, so then it gets nice and golden and crispy. Cool. The last step is you want to just place this in the oven, 375 for 35 to 40 minutes. Or until the top of your cobbler gets nice and brown and crispy. So let's do that, man. Cool. 35 minutes, and I'll see you when this is done. Bye. Okay, so our cobbler is done. It's been in for the full 40 minutes. This is my first time making a cobbler, but I know what a good cobbler looks like when I see it. So it looks good. Around the edges, it's nice and golden. It's still a little, like, not golden in the middle, but I'm gonna take it out now just to be safe. It's not going on the way, okay. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, why am I to the side? Let me just get this out. Ooh. All right, here is the cobbler. The juice is coming out, so I'm not even gonna try to tip that over again. Okay, so I'm not sure if you're supposed to eat this cold or right out of the oven. So I'm gonna play it safe since this looks like it's molten right now. And I will eat this when it cools off, so in a couple of hours. I'm gonna say about 3 to 4 hours, just leaving it out and letting everything settle and harden. The top will harden, but you know, that's whatever. So I will see you in 3 to 4 hours. Bye. Oh yeah. Oh wow. This is a very good peach cobbler. It's sweet, it's crunchy. The peach is a little tart, and I like that because then with the vanilla, it's the perfect combination. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Remember to comment down below what you want me to do next week, and maybe I'll do it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!